Blessed day mga ka-faith. Hindi lahat ng bagay dapat minamadali. Sabi sa Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, to everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven. Kaya let's talk about God's timing. Una, trust God's timing. Kung hindi pa dumarating ang sagot sa panalangin mo, relax ka lang. God's delay is never His denial. At habang nagtitiwala ka, invest in the season. Kung waiting season ka, gamitin mo ito to grow in prayer, in word, and in faith. At habang nag-i-invest ka, move with wisdom. Hindi lang basta hintay, kundi be sensitive sa Holy Spirit kung kailan ka gagalaw. At kapag gumalaw ka na, with wisdom, embrace God's plan. His plan is always better. Kahit minsan hindi natin gets, pero sure ka, God knows best. This is Pastor Francis. Tandaan mo, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 reminds us, may tamang oras para sa lahat. Kaya always trust God's time dahil His timing is always perfect. Kung na-inspire ka dito, like, follow, and share para mas marami pa tayong ma-encourage. God bless. Shalom.